Hey everybody, this video I've got another 1-inch mortise cylinder from the gas station that I did some work on the other day. This one did not have a key. It was in pretty bad shape, so I lubricated it overnight, and we'll see if we can single pin pick it and then rekey it. And I'm going to give that a try here. I'm going to try using top of the keyway and my GoSo hook. Damn it. Looks like I got some lubrication on the tension wrench or my finger and it slipped. Okay, well, there's a tiny amount of rotation on the core here, so this should be open any minute here. There we go. Alright, so that's open, and I'm going to rekey it real quick here. Okay, get the cam off, and I'm not going to bother gutting it because these things always just have standard driver. There's nothing ever too fancy or interesting about them. These are from the last lock I did. Yeah, I guess I could have had some high lows on it. And some good lubricators. Just wipe it off real quick here, and then this is the key that we're going to key it to. In the interest of time, I've taken the key pins out that I would need. And these are actually stock Kwikset pins, so they're rounded instead of pointed like the aftermarket ones are, the ones that come in these mortise cylinders. Okay, insert it back in, we'll test it out, make sure it works. And something I can't stress enough when doing stuff like this: if you're going to take the key out before you put the cam on, put your thumb on the plug, hold it in so the whole plug doesn't come with it. And then just reinstall our cam here. Okay, and then just test it out. And it's working, so it's rekeyed. And I guess that'll do it for now, and we will talk to everybody later.